Here I try to find out result with the help of ternary operator. Ternary na, it's nothing, it's a conditional operator. Okay. Okay. Now I created all those variables. Now here I try to display the program. Calculation part values as well as input variables. What are the input variables? Mark 1 and mark 2. These are input variables. Okay. Input variables. $M1 $end. Output variables. Total, average, result. So these are called as the output variable. Here I try to display variable values. With help of echo output statement. With the help of echo output statement plus dot concatenate operator. Dot plus na atudan dot concatenate operator. இப்போ டாட்டோட மீனிங் என்ன அப்படின்னீங்கன்னா டாட் இன்டகிரேட் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் டேட்டா டிஃப்ரெண்ட் கண்டென்ட். அதாவது எனக்கு வந்து இப்போ வந்து 2 டேட்டாவை இணைக்கணும்னு விருப்பப்பட்டீங்கன்னா யூ ப்ளீஸ் புட் டாட். இப்போ பாருங்க, ஐ வாண்ட் இன்டகிரேட் கான்ஸ்டன்ட் அண்ட் நான் கான்ஸ்டன்ட் வேல்யூஸ். ஸோ $M1 here. Yes, I want copy and then paste. Okay, input variable value displayed here itself, and then here I try to display output variable values. Okay, here we should mention what is that then. If is set dollar, sorry, okay, here only I changed one thing. What is that then? M1 variable, here I mentioned M1 query string is found or not. Okay, $_request is super global variable, is super global variable. Built-in means the predefined. Software developer developed variable called as built-in variable. அதாவது சாஃப்ட்வேர் டெவலப்பர் டெவலப் பண்ணியிருக்கிற வேரியபிளுக்கு பேர் built-in variable. இது நம்மளோட வேரியபிள் கிடையாது. built-in variable $_request is super global built-in variables. This variable read query string from web browser address bar. Read from URL. This is exact. Dollar underscore request variable read value. Dollar underscore request variable read value from query string of, okay, read value from query string. Dollar underscore request variable read value from query string. Okay, for example, you please note it out. This program file name is p01.php. Here I put question mark. Question mark is there. Question mark indicate query string exist. Question mark indicate query string exist. In case question mark missing, then query string is not found. Query string is also another state management. I will tell what is state management, what is the use of state management. I will tell later. Okay, p01.php as well as I put question mark, since here query string form. That query string, first query string name is M1. Here I put 56.0. Ampersand indicate we can make more than one query string variable. The second variable is M2. Here I put 79.5. Okay. So first one explanation, the p01.php is web page name, web page file name. Okay, next one, question mark indicate for what? Question mark indicate query string exist. Okay, M1 yes, first query string name. 56.0 is first query string value. M2 is second query string name. 79.5 indicate second query string value. Okay. Okay, 79.5 is the second query string value. Second query string name is M2. First query string name is M1. First query string value is 56.0. You know that. Okay, enough. So already I told here, dollar underscore request super global variable. Dollar underscore request